But I try my best on my daughter to fix my channel. I think is I will do it. No, I last April 7, I received a Gmail. It said is approved already, but then I received a Gmail again, and then there's something wrong again. I don't understand. I think there is an error in your data. Yeah, I think maybe yes. I think or the settings of YouTube, my YouTube channel.